Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a send notification timeline action using BusinessGlu. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once logged in, let's open your timeline. So click on timeline from the left-hand side menu. Click on your timeline. And this is the page where we will be creating the timeline action. So click on create action from the upper right. And then this timeline action will be a 10-minute reminder before your event starts. So let's set it to 10 minutes before. And then let's target all registrants. Let's look for Business Glue. And then let's select send notification. So for the title, just put in a short title for your email notification. So 10-minute remind. And then if you want to attach a media to your email reminder, you can select the type of media that you want to attach here. So for this one, let's just select the image you want to attach. And then for the message, you can put in here a personalized message. So hi, and then click on the personalization icon here. So it will take the first name of the registrant. So under subscriber, click on first name, comma, and then you can put in your name and then attach a simple smiley on the smiley icon here. And then all right, so for the button text, this is you can actually use this one for your call to action button. So you can put in join now, and then you can put in here the button URL. So since this is a join now button, we actually need the join link. So click on the personalization icon here and then select join URL. There you have. Click on create at the bottom. And as you can see, we have successfully added this timeline action. So 10 minutes before the webinar starts or your event starts, your registrants will be receiving this email notification with the join now button that will redirect them to the event or the webinar itself. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave us a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll always get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.